Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how to print only one page in PDF. Printing just a single page from a PDF is a straightforward process. Whether you are using a web browser or a dedicated PDF viewer like Adobe Acrobat. I have opened the PDF in the Adobe Acrobat editor. So now you have to open the PDF or press Ctrl P, or either you can directly click on the menu and click on the print. So in the printer you need to select your printer, and after that you need to look for the pages settings. Here is the pages to print, and now select the radio button for the pages, and here you can see that I have 32 pages in my PDF. For example, if I want to take print of the page number 25, I'll be just mention 25 and make sure the radio button shrink oversized pages should be checked, and then click print OK to proceed. And this is simple. I hope you understand how you can print only one page in PDF. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.